In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Etsy shop to Erank. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your shop fully linked so you can start using Erank's tools to analyze your listings, keywords, and overall shop performance. First, open your browser and go to your Erank dashboard. Make sure you're signed into your Erank account before you begin. If you don't see the dashboard right away after logging in, look for a link or button labeled Dashboard at the top of the page and click on that. This is your main control center inside Erank, where you'll be able to manage all your connected shops and data. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Connect Shop. This is usually easy to spot near the top or in a clearly marked area of the page. Go ahead and click on Connect Shop. What you're doing here is starting the process that lets Erank securely communicate with your Etsy account, so it can pull in your listings and shop information for analysis. After clicking Connect Shop, you'll be taken to a new screen where Erank explains that it needs permission to access your Etsy shop data. Here, you should see a button labeled Continue. Take a moment to quickly scan the information on the page so you understand what's happening, then click Continue to move forward. If you have multiple Etsy shops under the same login, this is usually the point where Etsy may ask you which shop you want to connect, so choose the correct one before proceeding. Next, you'll be redirected to Etsy's authorization page. This part is very important because it's where Etsy asks you to confirm that you want to give Erank access to certain parts of your shop data. You should see details about what Erank will be able to view, such as your listings, shop profile, and basic account information. When you're comfortable with the permissions being requested, click on the button that says Grant Access. After you grant access, Etsy and Erank will complete the connection automatically. In most cases, you'll be sent back to your Erank dashboard, where you should now see your Etsy shop listed as connected. From there, you can start exploring your data, checking your listings, and taking advantage of